Good morning, guys. Mr. Shermack here. This video is going to review how to determine the net force of an object. And we're going to be using the a squared plus b squared equals c squared equation, which is the Pythagorean theorem. So we've done these problems before in our last note session on how to calculate the net force, simply going either in the y direction or the x direction, right? We know that up is positive, down is negative, left is positive, and right is negative, and we just add up the forces going in the directions. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add some more complex problems to it. So now we have objects with dual forces acting on them, right? We have an object with 3 newtons going up, 4 newtons going to the right. So what would be the net force? Because this object is going to go kind of up and to the right, but with how many newtons of force? So to do that, we're going to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we're just going to assign each leg a variable. So a, b, then we're going to do some math. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 12. 4 squared is not 12. 4 squared is 16. I'm sorry. Equals c squared. 9 plus 16 is 25. Next step is to take the square root. The square root of 25 is 5. So that would be 5 newtons. So for this problem, this object is going to go up and right with 5 newtons of force. Scrolling down, we have some more complex problems here. Looking at let's look at number 15. Number 15, we first have to determine the net force going in the y direction. And then we can use a squared plus b squared to figure out the net force going in the upward right direction. So first thing we're going to do is add up the forces going in the y direction. 8 newtons plus a -1. We know this is negative because it's going down, is 7 newtons. So 7 newtons going upwards, 7 newtons going to the right. Now we can use a squared plus b squared equals c squared to figure out the force going in the upward right direction. So for each problem, you should also indicate which direction the object is going, like I did in number 8. Up and right, down and left, down and right, based on the arrows and which direction they are going. If you have any questions on any of these problems, please email me. I did post a key in our Unit 4 folder, and the subfolder is called Homework and Keys. You can check your answers. You have to show your work. So please show your work, check your work, and submit pictures of pages 3 and 4 in your Schoology assignment. If you need any help, please email me or send me a message on Remind. Have a great day.